Hello? Who are you? Hello, I am Panda. Can you climb trees?
Yes, I can climb trees.
Where do you live? I live in bamboo forests. What do you eat? I eat bamboo every day. Do you eat a lot?
Yes, I eat many bamboo sticks.
Do you sleep a lot?
Yes, I sleep many hours.
Are baby pandas small?
Yes, baby pandas are very small.
Why are you black and white?
My fur is black and white.
Are pandas gentle animals?
Yes, we are calm and gentle.
Should we protect pandas?
Yes, please protect pandas and forests.
Are your teeth strong?
Yes, my teeth are very strong.
Do you drink water often?
Yes, I drink fresh water every day.
Do pandas walk slowly?
Yes, we walk slow and calm.
Can you smell food?
Yes, I can smell bamboo.
Catch the ball, quick! I got it!
Wait, did you make these? They're enormous.
Can pandas climb high?
Yes, we can climb very well.
Can you find food by smell?
Yes, my nose helps me find food.
Is your jaw strong?
Yes, my jaw is very strong.
See you again, friends! Have a happy day! Good night, friends! Sweet dreams! And goodbye! Please subscribe to Himu Toons. See you in the next adventure.
Please subscribe to Himu Toons. See you in the next adventure.